Think you're deadlifting correctly? Here's the truth. Most lifters think they're getting stronger, but their deadlift is actually silently destroying their lower back. And the craziest part? It's usually one small mistake that causes almost all the pain, weakness, and plateaus. So today, I'm going to fix your deadlift forever. Before we talk about the right way, let me expose the mistakes that almost everyone makes. Mistake number 1, bending at the waist instead of the hips. If your lower back rounds even slightly, you're basically asking it to lift the weight instead of your legs and glutes. Mistake number 2, the bar starts too far away. If the bar is even 2 inches in front of where it should be, it turns your deadlift into a forward pull instead of an upward drive. Mistake number 3, pulling with your arms. Your arms should be hooks, not lifters, but most people tense up, shrug, and yank, wasting power and risking injury. Now here's the interesting part. All of these problems come from one thing you haven't mastered yet. Stick with me, you'll see it in a minute. Let me ask you something. Would you ever build a skyscraper on sand? Of course not. Yet most people deadlift with a sand foundation, and that missing foundation is your setup. If your setup is wrong, everything after it collapses. So before I show you the perfect lift, here's the rule that changes everything. The bar should start glued to your shins and your hips must hinge back like you're closing a door with your butt. Not bending down, not squatting down, hinging back. And once you feel that hinge, the deadlift becomes so much easier because now your big muscles are finally in the game. Step 1, foot position. Simple. Stand with your feet hip width. Imagine you're about to jump. Your feet land naturally. That stance, that's your deadlift stance. Now look down. The bar should be directly over your midfoot. Not toes, not shins, midfoot. This is your power line. Step 2, the grip. Simple. Reach down without bending your knees too much. Grab the bar just outside your legs. Keep your arms long. Think hanging ropes, not flexing cables. Step 3, the hip hinge, intermediate fix. Now we fix the mistake that ruins most deadlifts. Push your hips back. Back more. Even more. Good. Your shins should barely touch the bar. Your chest should be slightly up, your spine long, and your shoulders just in front of the bar. Feels different, right? That's because now your hamstrings are loaded like stretched rubber bands. Step 4, the brace, intermediate to advanced. Take a breath into your stomach, not your chest. Imagine someone's about to punch you. That tightness, that's your brace. This brace protects your spine and gives you power. No brace equals weak lift. Strong brace equals solid, safe, explosive pull. Now, step 5, the pull, advanced technique. Here's where everything comes together. Think about pushing the floor away instead of lifting the bar. This turns your legs into engines. As you push, keep the bar touching your legs. Drag it up your shins, your knees, your thighs. And listen carefully, your hips and shoulders should rise at the same time. If your hips shoot up first, you're doing a lower back lift, not a deadlift. Stand tall at the top, squeeze your glutes, and don't lean back. Then hinge down the exact same path. Smooth, controlled, powerful. Back rounding, bar drifting forward, hips rising too fast, pulling with arms, knees too bent like a squat. Right, spine neutral, bar over midfoot, arms relaxed, bar sliding against leg, hips and shoulders rising together, brace held tight. The difference? The wrong version loads your spine. The right version loads your glutes, hamstrings, and core, the muscles built for heavy lifting. All right, quick recap. Feet hip width, bar over midfoot. Grip just outside legs. Hinge hips back until shins touch. Brace your core, push the floor away, bar stays close, stand tall, no leaning back. Now, here's your challenge. Do 10 flawless reps right now. Slow, perfect. Feel the difference in your glutes and hamstrings. Feel how strong and stable your back feels. That's what a real deadlift should feel like. Outro, motivational close. If you want to lift heavier, safer, and with confidence, master this technique. Practice it a few minutes every workout, and you'll be shocked how fast your strength explodes. And remember, the deadlift isn't just an exercise, it's a skill. The better you perform it, the stronger you become, inside and outside the gym. Keep training smart, keep pushing yourself, and I'll see you in the next video, champ.